Black holes have long been the most mysterious and elusive objects in the universe, shrouded behind equations, simulations, and paintings. Human curiosity only intensified as our technology improved, but the idea of seeing the inside of a black hole directly was long considered impossible. The event horizon, the point of no return beyond which not even light escapes, was considered the ultimate curtain. But now, the James Webb Space Telescope has exploded that long-standing assumption. With its record-breaking sensitivity and infrared vision, Webb has produced the first true image of what a black hole holds, showing a breathtaking and never-before-seen glimpse into one of the universe's most terrified and enigmatic places. It was discovered by Webb's intense scrutiny of a supermassive black hole in the core of galaxy NGC 7392, more than 137 million light-years from Earth. The black hole, which tips the scales at multiple millions of times the Sun's mass, had previously been observed, but indirectly, through monitoring the motion of stars and gas orbiting it. Earlier triumphs, such as Event Horizon Telescope's iconic silhouette of the black hole in M87, revealed merely the shadow on the foreground, but not the inside. Webb, however, with high-frequency mapping of gravity and deep penetrating infrared spectra, was able to look beyond the veil. What it saw had hitherto been present only in theoretical predictions, mentioned in scientific reports, and debated late at night among cosmologists. The photo itself is unlike anything previously witnessed. On first impression, it does not resemble any tangible location but a bending of reality itself. Buildings seem to be pulled and torn, distorted by massive gravitational energies. Filaments of light twist in grotesque, ungovernable ways, streaming through what appears to be a multidimensional field. Colors change turbulently across the color scale, crimson, sapphire, and violet blending in a mad dance that appears more akin to the brushwork of some universal artist than the interior of a gravitational canyon. And yet, amidst this visual madness is a hidden sense of symmetry, an odd pattern threaded through the madness. Scientists estimate that these structures could be residues of matter that falls in stars or cosmic dust in their last moments before they get destroyed and devoured. Most dramatic of all is the image's central highlight, a glowing node suspended at what could be the black hole's singularity. This place of virtually endless density, for so long concealed from direct sight, takes the form of a dazzling seething point of bluish-white light, more radiant than anything that's around it. Although the light itself would almost certainly be a side effect of matter compressed and stretched beyond any semblance of recognition, its existence sets profound questions to the singularity's energy, and even the fabric of time itself. Physicists for centuries believed that the singularity was a mathematical concept that could never be seen directly, but Webb's observations now imply that we are seeing the first observational glimpse of this cosmic frontier. What Webb has revealed tests not only our knowledge of black holes but physics itself. Einstein's general theory of relativity, which has described gravity accurately for more than a century, fails at the singularity. Quantum mechanics, the physics of the very small, has never sat easily with relativity in this regard. The conflict between these two cornerstones of science, the big and the tiny, has been the biggest open mystery in physics for a long time. For the first time, scientists are not grappling with only equations or simulations, they are gazing into reality. The interior of black holes is no longer a mathematical puzzle. It is data. It is patterns, energy, and light that have to be accounted for. Beyond the singularity, spacetime itself seems to be jagged, curving inward and outward at the same time. Visual artifacts Webb has taken imply that in the heart of a black hole, dimensions may be behaving in ways unbeknownst to human reasoning. Some scientists take these images as a possible indication of higher dimensional behavior, theories previously restricted to string theory or wild branches of quantum gravity. If true, it would represent the first observational evidence that dimensions beyond our everyday three of space and one of time actually exist in the universe. The intriguing potential that hidden dimensions exist in our universe, accessible only in the extreme environments within a black hole, has rekindled controversies that many physicists had previously deemed too speculative to entertain. Just as mysterious are the ribbons of energy that appear to emanate radially from the center only to violently bend back in upon themselves, caught in an interstellar whirlpool. These are most probably examples of frame dragging, in which spacetime itself becomes dragged and distorted by the rotation of the black hole. Webb's photo indicates that this phenomenon is much more severe than theorists had previously calculated. The warping is so powerful in certain regions that photons, particles of light, seem to loop perpetually close to the singularity. Some seem to plunge into the center of blackness, others to be caught in eternal orbit. Such findings could lay the first empirical basis for the observation of gravitational lensing within a black hole instead of just around one. This would be a quantum leap, not only in astronomy, but in our capacity to experiment with relativity in its most hostile environment. Another breathtaking disclosure is the potential discovery of evidence for the remnants of time-dilated matter. Webb's detectors recorded fuzzy, ghostly apparitions near the fringes of the image, elongated infinitely as if suspended in time. In a black hole, time moves at a fraction near the singularity, and to an outside observer, everything that crosses the event horizon will seem to come to a permanent stop. If Webb actually captured these marks, it would be the first time time itself has ever been observed as a physical phenomenon. Scientists describe it as watching history trapped in amber, objects that may have fallen into the black hole eons ago, still appearing suspended at the threshold. The implications of actually seeing time stretched into a visible form are staggering. It may open the door to entirely new ways of studying relativity and temporal physics. This finding also intensifies the controversy surrounding the black hole information paradox, whether information consumed by a black hole gets destroyed or not. Indications of ordered patterns within Webb's data imply that information does not get lost but rather gets transmuted and encoded within the geometry of spacetime. If so, the universe could possess an intrinsic mechanism to save information even in its most obscure regions. Some of Webb's physicists speculate that the weird, looping patterns he recorded might actually be an underlying cosmic code, one that someday may reveal to us what happens to matter and energy when it crosses the horizon. That prospect is exciting. The idea that information isn't lost but stored in some new form has the potential to reconcile relativity with quantum theory. Perhaps most surprising of all is the hidden order in the disorder. Rather than simple destruction, the interior of the black hole appears to be governed by its own steady rules, unseen, but not chaotic. Energy streams display rhythm and pattern, a harmony of light and darkness. There is geometry concealed in the turbulence, a shape in the storm. Might black holes have a purpose beyond cosmic necropolies? Could they be drivers of change, even doorways to other universes? Speculations long thought to be fringe fantasies, black holes as doorways to other worlds, or seeds of new cosmic formations, are now being revisited with renewed urgency. Some scientists even whisper that this photo could hold the first genuine hints of the multiverse. Researchers across the globe are sifting through Webb's data, rehashing models, and challenging assumptions made for decades. The photograph is not just an image. Confronting it, however, is a scientific tool imbued with data. Every distorted piece of light, every disturbance of energy, is a hint at the universe's secret rules. For human beings, it is not just a technological achievement but also a moment of philosophy. Black holes have been the ultimate unrepresented since the beginning of time. They are the locations where laws fail, where light disappears, and where intelligence ends. Now, for the first time, we have peered inside and discovered not void, but a subtle structure too refined to be reduced to chaos. The black hole, once seen merely as a cosmic ravager, might itself be an architect of the universe. The strength of this vision is not merely in what it reveals but in the way in which it reconfigures our comprehension. The universe is no longer simply a canvas of stars but an active, changing tapestry where even night is vibrant with underlying forms. Black holes, once considered to be lethal voids, could instead be transformational crucibles, crossroads where matter, energy, and information are retuned. They could be as vital to cosmic evolution as stars themselves, shaping galaxies, recycling matter, and even warping the fabric of time. Future telescopes in the years to come might look even deeper with quantum sensors or imaging of the gravitational field. We might one day actually map the interior of black holes in real time and learn not only their structures but also their functions. For the time being, however, Webb's first look at the center of a black hole is a benchmark, a moment when mankind looked into the ultimate unknown and beheld, for the first time, what lies within. It flips everything on its head. Space and time are dynamic, gravity is a reality carver, and black holes might not be the end of the cosmic highway but the beginning of something more. Even as the universe continues to expand into the infinite dark, this singular image reminds us of our own smallness and our capacity for wonder. It tells us that reality is stranger than fiction, that the cosmos is deeper than imagination, and that even in the blackest depths there is light, pattern, and possibility. The James Webb Space Telescope has not simply shown us a picture. It has unlocked a door into a new era of cosmic exploration. And through that door, humankind has made one more step toward comprehending not only the universe, but also itself.